Advantages of homeopathy. Homeopathic medicines are prepared from tiny amounts of proven healing substances derived mainly from plants, minerals, and animals. Homeopathy is based on nature's principle of cure, namely like choos like the law of similars. They are given in very minute doses so that they are non-toxic and are very safe. Unlike antibiotics and other medicines, homeopathic medicines will not hamper digestion, will not lower immune resistance, will not produce allergic reactions, and are safe in the long term if taken as directed by a qualified homeopath. Homeopathic medicine is fast-acting, restoring optimal health. Homeopathic prescribing is effective in both acute and chronic conditions. Homeopathy has a long-standing healing tradition and is now the most popular holistic therapy worldwide.